Are you looking for the perfect cocktail for summer? Well, today we are making a delicious frozen peach margarita. It is perfectly fruity, boozy, and refreshing. My name is Alyena, and welcome to video number 2 in our 3-part cocktail series on beautiful Balboa Island. And if you want to see more of Balboa Island, keep watching until the end of this video. The first thing we are going to do is sugar rim our glass. And to do that, I like to run some lime around the edge. And this just helps to make sure your sugar salt rim sticks to the glass. And for our sugar salt rim, I have salt, and then I also have some orange sugar. So you have sweet and salty. Now we can start making our margarita. Here I have my blender, and to it I'm going to add in 4 cups of frozen peaches. I like using frozen peaches because if you add ice, it waters it down. Okay. There are lots of peaches in this drink. Think of it, you're just getting all your natural fruit in. Next, I'm going to add in my lime juice. I have half a cup of freshly squeezed lime juice, along with 1 cup of pure pineapple juice. I like making sure that it's pure pineapple juice and there's no added sugar to it. And we are adding about 1 cup of pineapple juice. I'm having to eyeball it today because I don't have my measurements. I'm adding in 8 ounces of tequila. This is a 2-ounce shot glass, just to add a little booziness to our drink. Next, to add in a little sweetness to our drink, I have some agave. You can also use simple syrup or honey, but I like using agave, and you're going to add in around 2 tablespoons of your agave. The next thing is optional, but I love adding some chopped ginger in. This is about a thumb of ginger because it adds a really nice spice to your drink. Okay, and there we go. Now it is time to blend together our margarita, and I can't wait to try it. And I'm so grateful to these super nice girls that helped us out by blending our margarita for us. This makes 2 margaritas, but this is a crazy large glass. So it just made 1 for me, which I'm pretty happy with. I think it looks delicious. And now the best part, getting to try our cocktail. That is so good. It's perfectly fruity, and I love having the salt sugar rim. It just adds another element. So please let me know if you try this drink and what you think in the comments down below. And don't forget to check back in next week because we are making a delicious sangria de cava. Now on to more of Balboa Island. Did you know that there are only 2 ways on and off Balboa Island? Either by the Marine Avenue Bridge or by the ferry. Many residents travel around the island in golf carts, so we decided to take ours on the 5-minute ferry ride over to Balboa Peninsula to do a little bit of exploring. And props to the ferry drivers because navigating through this busy waterway definitely takes some skill. But this family-owned ferry has been running for over 100 years, so I think they've got the hang of it. If you have kids or like amusement parks, the iconic Fun Zone is a great place to visit. And right next door is the historic Balboa Pavilion, where you can rent boats, book harbor cruises, or take a high-speed catamaran to beautiful Alyena Island. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week.